10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And hey, Coach, thanks for believing in me. Not just for this, but for everything.
You're welcome, Doug. Let's see if you can break that school record. Ready, set, go! Good pace. Don't slow down. You got this. Cheer him on, guys. Cheer him on.
I need a break!
No way, Doug. You're not allowed to quit. Not when you're this close. Push it. Power through. 3 more. 2 more.